What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kaleb, and today we're gonna be playing some Untitled Dive Death Engine. But first, let me put some music. One balance. Okay, here we go. Gosh dang it. Here we go!
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Yeah, you're real scary.
So
yeah, come get some, you frickin'. Oh, yeah, you're real
Next
scary.
time eat a salad. Did you try to hit me or what? Chill.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin'. Yeah, you're real scary.
Big Mac. Wait, what? Oh. But he only killed himself. Wait.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Okay, this is not my first.
Dang it!
Okay, this is not good here.
I just came in like a ghost. I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Okay. Oh crap. Oh crappy. Thank you for the full health, buddy! crap, it's Jason. Go invisible! Never mind.
So you can share the game you love.
How? You know what? I'm just gonna go to my yourself avatar. Barely anyone here, like any dive defiants or just kind of like, barely any dive defiants or just very like Luffy fans because. You can't find me! What the hell was that?
Hey, give me the hot dog!
Yo, am I lagging or what? Is it me or am I lagging? To be honest, I don't even know. Okay, that was so fucking delayed, man. Look. Yeah, come get some, you wuss.
Yeah, come get some,
you
you
fucking
frickin' wuss.
wuss.
Okay, this is not
Just
good.
nothing
Yeah,
good here. How did that not hit?
Yeah, come get some.
Okay, why is...
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Okay, this does not look good here. Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Yeah, come get some.
Brother, these people are seriously Luffy off, I swear. Got a bit unlucky, boy.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Yeah, you're real scary.
Got well, yo.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Yeah, you're real scary.
Why is it like some of the server?
Yeah, come get some, you. Yeah, come get some, you frickin'. Yeah, you're real scary.
Why is the whole server after me? Oh crap.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Okay, this does not look good here.
Bipolar 1 can overwhelm your mind. Sometimes
Help.
depressive lows and unpredictable highs can make it hard to get out of your head. Finding relief may help you break through. Ask about Vraylar. Some medicines only treat the lows or highs. Vraylar treats depressive, acute manic, and mixed episodes of bipolar 1 in adults. Proven full spectrum relief for all bipolar 1 symptoms.
Not for Alzheimer's.
Yeah, come get some. Yeah, you're real
Suicidal thoughts too. Untitled.
Are y'all like seriously loopy ops or what? Or are y'all just trying to play the game like me and you?
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. Hey, this does not look good here.
Man, that punch didn't work. I'm out of stamina. What was that prediction? Hey, now I can hide now. This is perfect. Okay, so where the heck did that Huynh go? Okay, Bluey's still somehow here for some reason. There he
Come
is!
get some, you frickin' wuss. Yeah, come get some, you frickin'
How did that not hit? How did that hit? I mean, whoa. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna end the video right here. See him.